Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about weather. Weather tells us how the sky looks and feels every day. Let's learn 4 types of weather. Are you ready? This is sunny weather. The sun shines bright in the sky. The day feels warm and happy. We can play outside and wear light clothes. Sunny days make us smile. This is rainy weather. Dark clouds bring rain. Water falls from the sky. We use umbrellas and raincoats. Rain helps plants grow. This is windy weather. The wind blows fast. Leaves fly in the air. We can fly kites on windy days. Wind is fun and cool. This is snowy weather. White snow falls from the sky. The day feels very cold. We wear warm clothes like jackets and gloves. Snow is soft and beautiful. Let's remember: sunny, rainy, windy, snowy. These are different types of weather. Great job, kids! You learned about weather today. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye. See you next time.